Today I will guide you how to block and unblock emails in Gmail using your PC. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then on the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop down menu, I clicked on Gmail and the Gmail interface opened. Now I open the email from the sender that I wanted to block. After opening the email, I clicked on the three dots on the right side of the email. A drop-down menu appeared. From this menu, I clicked on Block. A confirmation pop-up appeared on the screen. I clicked on Block again to confirm. As soon as I blocked the sender, a message appeared at the top with two options: Unblock Sender and Move to Spam. I clicked on Move to Spam. Now all future emails from this sender will automatically go to the spam folder. Next, I will show you how to unblock the sender. From the left side panel, I clicked on Spam. Here I could see the blocked email. I opened the email, then clicked on the three dots again. This time, the option showed Unblock Sender. I clicked on the Unblock Sender and a confirmation pop-up appeared. I clicked Unblock to confirm. Finally, at the top of the email, I clicked on Report Not Spam. This moved the email back to my inbox and fully removed the block. And that's it. The sender has been successfully blocked and unblocked in Gmail. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful guides.